Hello everyone. In this video I am covering a working of join method in string. The join method working is exactly opposite of a split method which we have covered in the previous video. If you have missed the split video, you go back to my previous video and watch from there. Now let's coming back to the join method. So join method is a string method that returns a string which the elements of the sequence have been joined by the separator. In the split method, what we have done, we have split the string based on the separator, and what we are doing here is we are joining the multiple string based on the separator, right? So in the join method, it takes one parameter that are the iterables, or we can say that a collection sequence of strings, right? So this object is capable of returning its member one at a time that will be concatenated with the separator. Let's take an example. For example, I'm creating a sequence of strings, and the first string is 1, second string is 2, and third string is 3, right? This is the sequence of 3 strings, and if we are applying a join method, so we will get 1 2 3, this. So this is the meaning of join. And join method is basically depends upon the separator. So if I'm separating every string with the empty string, right, then we'll get this output, right? For example, I'm implementing the same example over here. So I'm taking the sequence, I'm initializing one sequence of strings, and I'm storing in L. My first word is hi, second word is hello, and third word of the sequence is word, right? So if I'm printing the L object which is holding 3 different words, so it will print hi, hello, world, right? And these represent the 3 words separated by comma, right? Let's suppose we want the output in a one string. Okay, so what we can do, I'm for storing a output result, I'm taking s is equals to this is the separator, right? Here string represent the separator, and let's suppose I'm taking a empty string as a separator, and I'm using join function by passing iterables, and iterables are stored in object L. So what this function method will do, it will pick iteratively one items from the L and concatenate it with the separator which is empty string, right? So if I am printing the S object, so it will print hi, hello, world without any space, right? Because it's empty. Let's suppose if I want a one, and this is a one string. If I want a one string output and each word is separated by a space, so what should we have to mention? We have to mention over here space. Previously we have given the empty string without any space. Now I am giving one space, means every word is separated by the space, right? So after this one, if I am printing S, then output will be hi, hello, world, right? So what is the difference between split and join function? In the join function, if we are giving this string as an input string and we are applying a split method, then output of this will be this string, means the words are separated by different strings, right, and stored in a different string.